Grizzly is turning 40 years old this year, and we're celebrating with a unique line of limited edition machines. By demand, we brought back our classic 6x60-inch jointer with an upgraded V-helical cutter head and a striking new color scheme to commemorate our 40th anniversary. First and foremost, let's talk table length, which is everything when it comes to jointers. The longer the table, the longer and straighter your edges can be. With a full 60 inches of precision ground cast iron support, this is one of the longest tables you'll find in a jointer this size. The unique 4-row V-helical cutter head sports 24 indexable carbide inserts. These inserts keep a sharp edge longer than steel blades. Each one can be rotated 3 times before being replaced. These inserts sit at a slight angle and produce a shearing action, resulting in a cleaner edge than spiral or straight knife cutter heads. The unique rabbiting outfeed table sets you up for precise dimensions that your rabbet bits don't quite cut. Rabbet channels up to 1/2 inch using our hand wheel adjusted dovetail way infeed table, which gives you more control and precision, a feature you typically see only on larger, more expensive machines. With a powerful 1.5 horsepower, dual voltage, single phase motor, you can run it whether your shop is wired for 110 or 220 volt. And it all sits atop a built-in steel mobile base with a protective powder-coated finish. Dust collection is made easy with a 4-inch dust port. Exclusive to this limited edition is the brand new color scheme and chromed hand wheels that will make it the focal point of any shop. Here's your answer for edge jointing and surface planing your longest workpieces in a small footprint. The only thing that won't be getting thinner here is your wallet. Here's to 40 more years. Visit grizzly.com to learn more and to get your anniversary jointer today.